How to find AGI on Jackson Hewitt. Sign in to your Jackson Hewitt account using your email and password. Open your dashboard and go to the section where your saved tax returns are available. Choose the previous tax year return that you filed through the platform. Open the return details and access the full document view. Download the tax return file if it does not open directly. Scroll through the document until you reach the beginning pages. Locate the form labeled Form 1040 within the file. Carefully check the top portion of the form for income details. Find the line labeled Adjusted Gross Income in the form. Look specifically at line 11 where the AGI amount is written. Read the number shown there and make sure it is accurate. Keep a copy of that number saved or written for later use. Use the same AGI when you are asked to verify your identity during filing. If you cannot access your account, you can request a tax transcript from the IRS website. Thank you for watching.